Okay, in previous video we upgraded this from Vue option API to the composition API. So now let's work on the store and redirect. How we can use the Vuex store, right, and how we can redirect our user to the next page, right. So I'm going to basically here we need to call the use store. So we can use this use store thing like this, and then I'm going to call this here constant store equal use store, right. So this is a we can call this like this, and similarly as we are doing this dot store, so I'm going to remove this and dollar. So now that we can call this store dot dispatch something like this, and then similarly for others too I can call this dot store, and I'm going to remove this one, right. And I also remove this from here, so this would be the dollar this dollar router, this dot router, and then I'm going to define the router here too. So similarly we need to also use this use router, right, and then I'm going to do this here constant router, right, and then call this use router, and then something like this. And now I can call this using a router dot push, and then this will push this to the login page. Perfect. So let's give it a save and see something went something is throwing errors. Just go here, it says node module, no we are not okay, it's throwing some error. So here is require module. Let me open this out. Oh my god, this one is a store, so we need to import this from the Vuex, not from the Vue.js, right. We can import this router from there, but here we can say import to store from Vuex. So as you know that we are using the Vuex store, so that's why we need to call this from the Vuex. And then we need to also work on this router. We need to import this from the router, right. So let me make this mounted again, and import router from where, from Vue router, right, something like this. Save this one, and then let's get refreshed to check that is it working. And yes, it's working perfectly, right. So our application is working perfectly, and in the next video I'm going to work on this a login stuff, how we can upgrade this login stuff as like we did this for the app and the register stuff. So thanks for watching, and if you think this added some value into your career, subscribe the channel and share it with your friends. In this way you can support me. See you then. Bye bye.